Today we're going to know about how to connect the series in the solar panels. In generally, there are multiple types of connection is there to improve the current and voltage. One is the series connection, second is the parallel connection, and third one is the mixed connection. In the series connection, if we connect the panels, so what happens? The current is constant and voltage is added in the series connection. Today we are going to demonstrate about the how the solar panel affect the voltage and current. When you add the solar panels in the series, the voltage will be added, current will be constant. There are two panels are there, so you just see in these two panels are there. So one is the 50 watt panel, second one is also 50 watt panel, second one also the 50 watt panel. So connection about the first. So I just show you that how much rating is there. Okay. So there is a rating is there. Okay, you can check here the rating. You can check here the rating here. The single panel voltage power is the 50 watts, and current is 18 volts, and the current is 2.77 amperes, and the voltage is 18 volts. Now I'm going to connect two panels in the series connection. For making the series connection, so always face the panel in the south direction. Face the panel in the south direction. That two panels are there. These are the two panels. This is one panel and second one is the second panel. So there are two panels are there. How will you make the series connection? So here the panel having a, so these are positive and negative wires. You see? In positive negative reverse connect చేస్తున్నారు. Okay, this is the positive wire and this is the negative wire. So negative wire. For making the series connection, take one panel black wire, that is the minus, and second positive. So and both connect each other. For making the series connection, we need to connect the, so this one panel negative is connected to second panel positive, and we'll take the output of the first panel of the positive, and the second panel of the negative will take the output. I just added a connection here. Then after that, so connect the proper channels at a multimeter. By using the multimeter, connect the positive to the positive terminal, connect the negative terminal to the negative terminal, and add in the, put the multimeter in the 200, put the multimeter in the 200. Here we are getting around 37.6 volts. Okay, we are getting a 37.6 volts around. So the voltage is now added. Previously I told you that is the 18 volts and this is the 18 volts. Both are added. And what happens, sir? The voltage is added, it is